Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Islam. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will showing how to create geological organizational map using Autocad or land map. So I'm going to run the Autocad. By this time, if you are a student, fresher or mapping enthusiast, this tutorial is guide us for entire process. This project focusing on adjustment, drawing, visualization, geological feature of AutoCAD to create line, shape, planning, analysis, and other toward decision making. Before drawing anything, in AutoCAD, it is important to set up units. In this video, we will like to continue with MKS system. You can watch my another videos from AutoCAD gallery of my YouTube channel playlist. I will use standard uh, annotation and draw toolbars from home panel. This map can be used site layout plan development, mapping where area planned, geological risk assessment. So if you want to see the map in AutoCAD, especially this version should be licensed from AutoCAD 2024 to 2026, and below version maybe extension to be required. So click on insert and see this option set location. So there is advanced in AutoCAD 2026. The GIS system is included. So geological location. So we also can alternate used by commanding geographic location from here or directly geomap. So I insert from here, click on GIS map, and here you have to press address, latitude, longitude or search. So how can we get the latitude and longitude? So click on Windows and use the various different method. I use just Google Map. Okay, you will need a high-speed internet broadband connection, or the area where is the internet speed is high. So I minimize this panel and search the location Dhaka, such as Dhaka or Bangladesh. So I try Bangladesh here and click on search and enter. So the Bangladesh, and I need the coordinator of this point. Or if you want to your specific location from your project, you can choose the area like this. How to choose? There is place marker and place the position. So I have posted here showing the location and so you can select the option degree decimal and system default or universal transfer system. This system should be matched exactly with your AutoCAD system unit system. So I keep here the default as AutoCAD already in default. So I apply this and OK. This is place marker. Before placing the marker, we should the proper positioning. So view command, reset and tilt and canvas. So the Bangladesh and the place marker. So I have got the two coordinator. And I can take help by AI. So click on Windows. I use Copilot, or you can directly search in Google. So I copy this number. Windows. Sorry, this video will be a little bit longer. And Windows. And second one, long view. Windows. Convert this for AutoCAD mapping. AutoCAD mapping. So I will take this. Use map. Control plus P, comma, Windows. And enter. So our location is here. You can change the mapping system to show the name. Before the place, you have to drop marker here, or you can search directly by. If your system support, you can directly place the marker location, your central location, or the location that is uh, fixed in Google Map. So I search Bangladesh and enter. Now click next to proceed. So the GIS coordinate system. There are various coordinate system. As I am in Bangladeshi, so I type Bangladesh. There are two coordinate system. I use this in meter, and the system should be chosen from here. So 6 and drawing unit as automatically setted this. So next, or if I use the meter or millimeter meters, the system will be restart or reset unit to map the unit. So before starting any drawing, it is mandatory to set up unit as you like. So go to next, and the drop marker point, Your next part of this video will be continue from the here.